Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm showing you my latest purchase, and I think this is one of the prepper must-have items. I've seen this on the internet and I had to have it. It is basically, if you haven't guessed already, a tracking pole with some gadgets, and basically what looks like it's a survival stick. I think it's pretty awesome, so let's have a closer look. So let's get all the pieces out, have a look. So all the bits are out of the case. So here we have handle, and within we actually have a screwdriver. So within the handle we have a ferro rod, and you have a whistle, which is quite handy, and of course you got yourself a compass on the top. So that goes, sorry, on this bit here. On the end here you can basically put and lock in your screwdriver. Obviously it is reversible, so both ways go in. Okay, so you can use that. And then here guys, you have two of the sharp attachment, I shall say. This one's got, claims to be a bottle opener, and this one obviously you've got a little saw, and this is what you use to actually strike your ferro rod. So the idea of them, you can pick up any piece of the handle and then you screw this, okay, into the end, okay, and then you can of course then extend your pole here to as long as you need it to be. So guys, you can see now this is the length of 2, and of course you've got to screw on. You can continue screwing. You can buy additional poles for that as well. Okay, so if you do need a bit more height, okay. So there we are. So this is the pole, okay. So if I just unscrew some bits off. So the idea is obviously, if we unscrew the Sharpie on the end, okay, you have your bottom bit of the stick with the snow cap. So the idea is you put that through, thread it through, okay, and there it goes in the end. So basically you have something like that, which is the normal stick there. The beauty of those, the little poles, guys, because you can actually keep, in the top one, you can keep your little sharp objects or whatever you guys you feel you might want to kind of put in them. Because they are hollow, you can actually stack up little bits there, whether you extra cord, just it's a few things. The possibilities are semi-endless, and I know I've seen some people, you can actually make some adjustments to whatever you basically that you want to potentially use them for, or to store inside them. But generally it feels pretty solid. It's obviously it's aluminium, so it's really lightweight. However, I do like it that you do have that little sort of grippiness to them, so that just kind of generally just feels really, really nice on your hand anyway. And as I said guys, you can make it to as long or as short as you want, and you put whatever other attachment you want in the end. You know me guys, I like my you know, Sharpies. So, but I think for the, as a prepper thing guys, right, when I seen this, I really had to have it. As I said, it's one of those things, it's kind of cool little gadget, and I appreciate, you know, if you don't go tracking, I still think it's kind of a very useful, a useful tool. Anywhere like outside, if you go anywhere, again, it's anything to be able to reach up and cut a bit of apple or fruit on the top or something, to other things of, you know, doing stuff that you do in the wilderness in terms of the bushcraft. So it is not particularly the, you know, it's not a bushcraft knife by all means. It's not going to replace your, you know, your couple of £100 knives. However, the whole idea that they are super interchangeable, and you do have your very long handles, and you can actually put the knife also in the end of it, I think it's going to make it, in my books, a prepper gadget item to have. So anyway guys, I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.